Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Anna, and in today's episode, we're diving into the latest and most impactful developments in the AI landscape. We have an exciting lineup of news to share, from Nvidia's milestone achievement in the Dow Jones Industrial Average to groundbreaking developments in AI models and practical applications. We'll explore how tech giants are reshaping the industry with innovative initiatives and discuss some fascinating AI projects that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Our coverage today includes significant updates from industry leaders like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI, along with remarkable breakthroughs in AI-powered robotics and historical preservation. We'll also examine some of the challenges facing the industry and what they mean for the future of AI development. Stay with us as we unravel these fascinating developments and their implications for the future of artificial intelligence. This is AI Unraveled, produced by Etienne Newman. In a significant shift that reflects the changing dynamics of the tech industry, Nvidia has officially replaced Intel in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This move marks a pivotal moment in the technology sector, symbolizing the transition from traditional semiconductor leadership to the era of artificial intelligence dominance. The replacement comes as Nvidia's market value has soared to remarkable heights, driven by unprecedented demand for its AI chips and accelerators. This change in the Dow Jones isn't just a symbolic gesture, it represents a fundamental transformation in how the market views technology companies and their role in shaping our future. It's worth noting that Intel, which has been a cornerstone of computing for decades, has struggled to maintain its competitive edge in the AI chip market. While Intel has been working to develop its own AI capabilities, Nvidia's early focus on graphics processing units, which proved crucial for AI applications, has given it a commanding lead in the industry. What makes this particularly noteworthy is that Nvidia's success isn't just about chip manufacturing, it's about foreseeing and capitalizing on the AI boom. The company's GPU technology, originally designed for gaming and graphics, has become the backbone of AI computing infrastructure worldwide. Their chips power everything from autonomous vehicles to large language models, making them an indispensable part of the AI ecosystem. The market has responded enthusiastically to this change, recognizing that AI computing infrastructure is no longer a niche market but a fundamental driver of economic growth. This transition in the Dow Jones Industrial Average isn't just about two companies. It's a clear signal that AI technology has moved from the periphery to the very center of our economic future. Let's delve into some exciting developments in AI model capabilities that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Anthropic has just released Claude 3.5 Sonnet, introducing a game-changing feature that allows the AI to analyze visual elements within PDF documents. This isn't just about reading text. Claude can now interpret images, charts, and graphs in documents up to 100 pages long, marking a significant leap forward in AI's ability to process and understand visual information. What makes this particularly impressive is the seamless integration of visual and textual understanding. Claude can now examine complex diagrams, technical illustrations, and data visualizations, providing comprehensive analysis that combines both visual elements and written content. This advancement has major implications for fields like research, academia, and business analytics, where the ability to process visual data alongside text is crucial. In parallel developments, we're seeing remarkable progress in AI's ability to control humanoid systems. Recent breakthroughs in compact AI models have demonstrated unprecedented mastery in humanoid control, achieving levels of dexterity and precision that were previously thought to require much larger and more complex systems. These models are showing exceptional capability in understanding and replicating human-like movements and responses. The efficiency of these compact models is particularly noteworthy. By achieving sophisticated control with smaller, more efficient systems, researchers are opening up new possibilities for practical applications in robotics and automation. This could lead to more accessible and deployable solutions in fields ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. These developments represent a crucial step forward in making AI systems more versatile and practical. The combination of enhanced visual understanding and improved physical control capabilities suggests we're moving closer to AI systems that can interact with the world in increasingly sophisticated and nuanced ways. As these technologies continue to evolve, we're likely to see even more impressive applications emerge across various industries. The tech landscape is witnessing a remarkable surge in AI innovation, with industry giants making significant moves to reshape how we interact with artificial intelligence. OpenAI has recently launched ChatGPT Search, marking their bold entry into the search engine space. This development represents a direct challenge to traditional search engines, offering users a more conversational and context-aware way to find information online. Google, not to be outdone, has responded with their own innovative platform called Learnabout, while also making substantial improvements to their existing services. The integration of their Gemini AI model into Google Maps is particularly noteworthy, introducing features that enhance navigation and location discovery in ways we've never seen before. The AI-powered capabilities now provide more intuitive route suggestions and more detailed location insights, making the user experience significantly more intelligent and personalized. Microsoft has been making waves with their internal developments, recently showcasing an AI-assisted IPaaS system that demonstrates the potential for artificial intelligence to streamline enterprise integration processes. This system represents a significant step forward in automating complex business operations and demonstrates Microsoft's commitment to incorporating AI into their enterprise solutions. The competition between these tech giants is driving rapid innovation in the AI space. Google's integration of AI with their search capabilities goes beyond simple query responses, offering more nuanced and comprehensive results that better understand user intent. This advancement is particularly evident in their ability to process and respond to complex, multi-part questions while maintaining context throughout the conversation. These developments are not just about improving existing services. They're about fundamentally changing how we interact with technology. We're seeing a shift toward more intuitive, conversational interfaces that can understand and respond to user needs in increasingly sophisticated ways. The integration of AI into these everyday tools and platforms is making technology more accessible and useful for everyone, from casual users to business professionals. The pace of these advancements highlights the intense competition in the AI space, with each company pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications and services that will further transform how we work, communicate, and access information. Let's dive into some fascinating practical applications of AI that are reshaping our daily interactions with technology. Google Maps has undergone a significant transformation with the integration of Gemini AI, introducing features that make navigation and exploration more intuitive than ever. Users can now receive more detailed contextual information about their destinations, including real-time updates about business hours, crowd levels, and even suggestions for optimal visit times based on historical data patterns. Meta's robotics team has achieved a breakthrough in tactile sensing systems, developing a robot hand with remarkably human-like touch capabilities. This advancement represents a major step forward in robotics, as the system can detect subtle variations in texture, pressure, and temperature, much like human skin. The implications for industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare are substantial, opening new possibilities for more precise and delicate robotic operations. The robotic hand's sensory capabilities are complemented by an advanced AI system that processes and responds to tactile feedback in real time. This enables the robot to adjust its grip strength and movement with unprecedented precision, making it suitable for handling delicate objects or performing complex assembly tasks that previously required human touch sensitivity. GitHub's introduction of Spark has brought new dimensions to collaborative software development. The platform leverages AI to assist developers in code review, bug detection, and even suggesting optimizations for code efficiency. This tool is particularly noteworthy for its ability to understand context across multiple programming languages and frameworks, providing relevant suggestions that align with modern development best practices. These practical applications demonstrate how AI is moving beyond theoretical capabilities into real-world solutions that enhance our daily lives. Whether it's helping us navigate our cities more effectively, advancing the capabilities of robotic systems, or improving the way we develop software, these implementations show the tangible benefits of AI technology. The integration of these systems into familiar tools and platforms makes advanced technology more accessible while solving concrete challenges across various industries. The AI industry is facing some significant challenges that could impact its trajectory, particularly in the realm of computational power and hardware development. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, recently highlighted a critical bottleneck in the company's product development: the shortage of computing power. This limitation isn't just affecting product launches. It's fundamentally shaping how AI companies approach their research and development strategies. The computing constraint is particularly noteworthy given the increasing demands of modern AI models. As these systems grow more sophisticated, their appetite for processing power continues to expand exponentially. This creates a complex challenge where innovation is essentially being held back not by ideas or algorithms, but by the sheer physical limitations of current computing infrastructure. In parallel to these computational challenges, we're seeing interesting developments in the AI chip market, particularly with Intel's struggles to maintain competitiveness. Their Gaudi AI chips have fallen significantly behind competitors, with the company now expected to miss its $500 million revenue target in this segment. This setback is especially telling when contrasted with Nvidia's dominance in the AI chip market, which has been so pronounced that it led to Nvidia replacing Intel in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This situation perfectly illustrates the rapidly evolving dynamics in the AI hardware space. Traditional tech giants are finding themselves challenged by companies that have more effectively adapted to the specific demands of AI computing. The gap between leading and trailing companies in this space isn't just about market share. It represents a fundamental divide in the ability to support the next generation of AI applications and services. Looking ahead, these challenges suggest we're approaching a critical juncture in AI development. The industry needs to either find ways to optimize existing computing resources more effectively or develop breakthrough technologies in chip design and computing architecture. This situation is creating both obstacles and opportunities, pushing companies to innovate not just in AI algorithms, but in the fundamental infrastructure that powers them. Let's explore some fascinating developments in how AI is being applied in unique and groundbreaking ways. Scientists have recently achieved something remarkable by using artificial intelligence to breathe new life into a 134-year-old photograph. They've managed to transform a flat historical image into a detailed 3D model of a temple relief that was lost to time. This achievement isn't just about preserving history, it's about making it tangible and accessible in ways we never thought possible. The technology works by analyzing the subtle variations in lighting and shadows present in the original photograph, allowing AI to interpret and reconstruct the depth and dimensionality that would have been present in the original structure. This breakthrough has significant implications for archaeology, historical preservation, and our ability to study and understand ancient artifacts that no longer exist in their original form. In another exciting development, researchers have created something that sounds like it's straight but out of science fiction: a drone with what they're calling an artificial nervous system. This isn't just another autonomous drone, it's a machine that can actually sense and respond to its environment in ways that mimic biological systems. The drone incorporates advanced sensors and AI algorithms that work together to create a network similar to how our own nervous system processes information and reacts to stimuli. This innovation represents a significant step forward in robotics and autonomous systems. The drone can make split-second adjustments to maintain stability, avoid obstacles, and navigate complex environments with unprecedented precision. What makes this particularly remarkable is how it combines traditional robotics with AI in a way that creates more naturalistic and adaptive behavior, opening up new possibilities for applications in everything from search and rescue operations to environmental monitoring. These projects demonstrate how AI is pushing beyond conventional applications and into territories that merge the digital with the physical world in increasingly sophisticated ways. They show us that AI isn't just about processing data. It's about using that processing power to interact with and understand our world in fundamentally new ways. As we wrap up today's episode, it's clear that we're witnessing a transformative period in artificial intelligence. From Nvidia's historic entry into the Dow Jones Industrial Average to groundbreaking developments in AI-powered visual analysis and robotics, the pace of innovation continues to accelerate at an extraordinary rate. We've seen how tech giants are reshaping their core products with AI integration, whether it's Google's enhancement of Maps with Gemini or OpenAI's bold move into the search engine space. Yet, we're also facing important challenges, as highlighted by Sam Altman's candid discussion about compute limitations and Intel's ongoing struggles in the AI chip market. These developments underscore both the immense potential and the complex challenges facing the AI industry. For organizations looking to navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, expertise and guidance are crucial. This is where Jamgatech AI Consultancy Services comes in, offering specialized support across industries including oil and gas, healthcare, education, and finance. Their team provides customized training, advisory services, and project-based AI solutions designed to help organizations harness the power of artificial intelligence effectively. If you're interested in exploring how AI can transform your organization, you can reach out to Jamgatech at info@jamgatech.com for a personalized consultation. Thank you for joining me today on AI Unraveled. I'm Anna, and I'll see you next time as we continue to demystify the world of artificial intelligence.